Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be drawing this lovely blossom. This is actually from a damson tree that I've taken this morning in my own orchard. And I'm going to be doing this using the Bockingford block traditional watercolour paper. This one's from St Cuthbert's Mill and it's £140 acid free. So you always really want to be looking for acid free because that makes it archival, which is less likely to damage over time. And it's a not pressed one, so it's quite nice to draw on. And I'm going to be using this Derwent Precision 0.5. I really like working with this. Not to everybody's taste, it does snap quite easily if you're too rough with it, but I really like working with that. So I'm going to be doing quite a detailed drawing of this blossom. So I was out and about in the garden this morning and I've taken quite a few photographs. I've taken some of the daffodils as well. And I'm going to put all those at the end of this video, so if you like you can just pause them on the slideshow, take a screenshot and use those in your own work if you would like to. At the moment, when a lot of us are stuck indoors, it's nice if we can share some of our reference photographs. So I'll pop a link in the description below to my Facebook page where I have photographs that you can print off as well, and also to Pixabay where I do have some photographs for you to print off and use. But these are ones I've taken this morning. Like I say, I will put those all at the end so that you can see around my garden and the things that I've got flowering at the moment. So everything is really coming into flower now. We've had a really wet, nasty winter, which seemed to be a very long winter, and now spring has really sprung this week. We've got some lovely weather at the moment here. It's been nice and sunny for the last few days, as you can see from these photographs. We've got a lot of sunshine. So this blossom itself, like I said, it's of a damson tree. We have a lot of damsons here in Westmoreland in South Cumbria. It's a very local thing. I know some of you further down south won't have damsons. We make them into jam, we make them into gin, we have a lot. And they're easy to freeze as well. So it's lovely at this time of year to see all the blossom out. So we've got a lot of colour in here. It's nice and green in the centre, and then we've got these little orange tips. So again, if you get this photograph and print it off yourself or zoom it up on your monitor, you'll be able to see all these different colours we have. So like I say, I'm going to do a detailed pencil study of it, and then I'm going to put some washes on. So at the moment, if you are stuck indoors, please do feel free to get some reference photographs off the computer, off the internet. But also do have a go at drawing things that are just around and about you. You can draw your cup even, anything that's just where you're sitting. Have a look around the room, do a little still life. Just keep practicing your sketching. It'll take your mind off other things. Whilst you're absorbed in your sketching, you're not really thinking about other things that might be on your mind at this time. So really do keep going with your art, and share your work with others as well. If you're on Facebook groups with your art and all sorts of things like that, keep sharing your work online on Instagram, and then we can all see what you've been up to, and it inspires others to have a go whilst they're at home. Okay, so I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. I'm just going to pop some music along to what I'm doing. I'm not going to talk through the whole thing. Like I've said in previous flower videos, the thing really with them is to get the main shape of each flower and then fill in the petals and everything around that. Don't forget that they're a 3D object. Flowers are usually cup shaped, they're not a flat 2D object, so try and get some of that in. When it comes to the colours, we've got, like I said, we've got some lovely colours. I really like the colour of the branches themselves as well. We've got some pink tones and things. And I've kept, when I did my photography this morning, I've kept the background out of focus as well, so that's we can do that with the paint. But I might just actually do this foreground flower and not the background, but I'll wait and see about that. So it'll be just some very light washes of paint over the top. I won't be going into a lot of detail with the paint, but I'll do some detail with the pencil. Okay, so let me know what you think in the comments below. Enjoy your painting and drawing. Do keep painting and drawing, and do keep putting those pictures on Facebook and Instagram for your friends to see. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you're all well, and I look forward to seeing you again next week with another tutorial or demonstration.
Spring is in the air, like a drum snare. Buds are bursting, beautiful green. summer nights. Down by the ocean, high emotion, legs covered in mosquito bites. Oh, seasons change us. Maybe it's just me and mine, where thunder has had its way. When kindness is portrayed as blind, add glitter to the rays. Oh, no need to beg pardon. No need to beg pardon from me. Maybe it's just me and mine, where thunder has had its way. When kindness is portrayed as blind, add glitter to the rays. Oh, no need to beg pardon. Oh, no need to beg pardon. Oh,